जय हिंद दोस्तों, इस वक्त दिल्ली में चल रहा है स्वावलंबन 2024 और इस दौरान कई डिफेंस स्टार्टअप कंपनियां यहां पर आई हुई हैं जो कि डिफेंस और एरोस्पेस में एक नया काम कर रही हैं, खास करके देश को आत्मनिर्भर बनाने का काम करें। उन्हीं में से एक कंपनी है HILD डिफेंस एंड एरोस्पेस और ये जो कंपनी है वो ड्रोन्स और एंटी ड्रोन सिस्टम्स को तैयार कर रही है। क्या बना रही है मैं जानने की कोशिश करूँगा। व्हाट्स योर गुड नेम?
I'm Dr. Anuraj.
Dr. Anuraj, I just want to say what type of products you are showcasing here.
We are exhibiting our drones and anti-drone product here, fixed-wing VTOLs and surveillance drones as well as counter-drone systems that can bring drone systems down using jamming technology and hard kill technologies.
It's completely indigenous.
Yes.
And where is your company based out?
We are based in Chennai. We have a 43,000 square feet factory which is DPIIT certified, and soon we will be selling large volumes.
And what is your first product? It's like a gun. It's an anti-drone gun?
Yes, it is an anti-drone gun. So basically it can jam drone signals when you press a button, and basically these drones operate based on certain frequencies from a few megahertz to few gigahertz. So it jams across those spectrums, so they will not have any communication between the operator and the drone, as well as the drone cannot get any signal from the satellites, so they cannot go back home also. So they will just land down or crash.
It's work on soft kill or hard kill product?
So this is a soft kill. Hard kills are basically, our hard kills are engagement drones. They will look at your enemy drone and they will approach them and they will crash onto them. So it's more kamikaze style, where both our drone and their drone will be destroyed.
Is any testing and trials from armed forces?
So far we have not done any testing and trials, but we have demonstrated our system to several of the armed forces, and we are looking forward to sell it this year.
It's in a prototype phase.
No, we have already reached the production level now, so we are ready. We are demonstrating to the users, and we are looking to sell this year.
And what about your second product?
So this is a VTOL drone. So basically they lift off using electric propulsion, and after they reach a certain altitude, they can climb up to 3,500 meters altitude using propulsion on the backside. And the rear propulsion can be electric as well as hybrid, where the hybrid, the electric propulsion get charged frequently whenever it runs out below a particular percentage, and they can stay in air up to 5 hours in hybrid mode.
And what about the payload capacity of this drone?
It comes with the surveillance as a
It's ISR.
Yes, as a initial package, and again in ISR based on user requirement we'll put specific payloads, and other than that, if anything has to be dropped or any other form of ISR capabilities required, special sensors are required, we'll integrate and give the complete turnkey solutions to them.
This is also in a prototype stage.
Yes, this is not a prototype per se, the platform is ready, but again with the payload we need to see what kind of payload
Exactly.
Here in Navy they have a specific requirement we have discussed. And
It's basically for Indian Navy.
No, not like that. This platform can work across all
Exactly,
triforces. Yeah, across the triforces they can use it. So they don't just need a aerial platform, they just want with the payload. So
Exactly.
so we need to put in some payloads that match their requirements and hand it over as a turnkey solutions, rather than having too much workload on their side to make it operational capable.
I just want to say endurance time of this UAV.
Okay, the endurance time with electric 2 hours, and in hybrid you can go up to 5 hours. No, actually for specific mission, when the enemy is not too far away, if they want to
It's for tactical
purposes, when your onboard equipments cannot reach to the enemy location, then you can send this as a for the surveillance beyond where the ship is docked, and they can survey the water.
And that means this is a tactical drone for Indian Navy or Indian Armed Forces, like.
Yes.
Okay. And any other product you have?
So in this exhibition we have not brought our products, but we have, as you can see in the brochures, we have varieties of anti-drone systems as well as drones.
So thank you so much for telling about your innovative products.
And thanks for covering us. Thank you.